Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ear tips on your earbuds Master and Dynamic MW07. You have to start by remove your headphones from the charging case. And now let's remove the old ear tips. Here we go. And the second one. You can also remove a wings. Here we go. And the second one. Now, if you wanna change your wings, select a new size of the wings. So I will use this one and attach it. So right here we have the information that this is for the left one and this one for the right one. So let's attach it first. Here we go. And the second one. Now select new ear tip size. Let's say I'm going with this one and attach it. Here we go, and the second one. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!